I'm Dudley from Wraptor Customs. This is Rob, this is Simon, and this is Paul, my helpers. And we are at Wrapfest 2023 Silverstone. Let's show you around. Simon, you seem to be walking across quite quickly, mate. Have you had a look outside? Simon is afraid of heights, apparently. He's ploughing on, look. He's taking the moment, eh? It's quite secure, don't worry. Today in this video we went to Wrapfest and we met face to face with many of our suppliers to receive updates on the latest products and materials that are out there, and it's great to stay up to date so we can give you guys the best service and the best products and the best finish. I bet his missus was well happy when he bought this. New chrome product. Very few joins, which is really good for chrome because chrome usually has like almost zero stretch, but that's pretty much a one-piece bumper. Few joins that are nearly invisible. That's the best chrome I've ever seen. Would anybody like a shag?
Oh, behave.
That's a cool wrap. Like a weathered looking race car. It's alright. Look at this. I want it. Purple chrome Lamborghini. Oh wow, it goes darker as well. Purple chrome that goes darker. Oh, that is such a nice finish. Wow. Let's have a look at the back. Ooh, turbos. Wow. Forged carbon as well. Wow. The badge poking out of the front. Yeah, the more you look, just the more engineering's gone into the aerodynamics.
What difference can them 6 pegs?
I know, it's crazy. It looks so complex, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy our vid. Please click subscribe if you're on YouTube and give us a follow on social media for more modern, crazy car related content. Cheers guys.